You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Say bounce when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have an interesting video. I'm actually going to be showing you an easy tutorial on how I do my braids. This is my long-term protective style. It's been a while since I have had a long-term protective style, and honestly I am tired and ready to tuck this hair away for the next couple months. My favorite long-term protective style has always been braids. Braids is my safest protective style. So I want to show you the easiest method of how you can do your box braids, and this method will help grow your hair because it's very safe and your hair is tucked away in a very protective way. So with this tutorial I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I did, because I don't want to film an entire video showing you these braids because it took me like 3 hours to finish these braids. So we are not going to film 3 hours worth of a video just showing you exactly what I was doing. So this is my remaining hair and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did. I'm going to braid a little bit of my hair from the roots. Just to make it look nice. And then, as you can see, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to twist the rest of my hair. So this is what I've been mostly doing. I will just braid a little bit of my hair from the roots and then twist the rest of my hair, just like this. So this is the braid that I used. It's called Ultra Expression. This is how it looks. It's the one that I used. This is how it looks. It's super long. Very long braid. We're not going to use all of this because you can see my braids are not that long. So I'm going to cut it. Smooth it out, and then I'm gonna make it look natural. So I don't know how to show it, but so this is try to make it look natural at the bottom. I find this to be an easier alternative for me to protect my hair while it's in protective braids, and it doesn't take me long. It just takes me like 3 hours to finish, which is pretty good. Hopefully you're able to see what I'm doing, guys. You just want to make sure that you're gentle on your scalp. You don't want to bring a lot of tension as you do this. So just be mindful about your scalp. And especially right here close to your edges, you don't want to create tension. So I just, hold on. Just want to make sure that I insert the crochet. And then I'm gonna grab this hair, put it in the hook, get it out on this side. See, it has a knot. And then I'm gonna get one part of the hair, slide it across, and then we get ready to braid. You wanna make sure that your hair is equal at the bottom before you start your braiding. And then we have one, two, and my hair 3. But because my hair is very little, you want to make sure that the sections are even. So I'm going to borrow some hair from this side and this side to make the 3rd knot. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of hair from one side of each section to add on to my hair. Hopefully I'm able to explain it quite well, guys. This is a very easy way that I have learned to do my braids, and it's also very safe for my hair when I take it down. So I'm gonna get a little bit of hair from there. And then we should be able to have a 3rd. So now we have that hair and we're ready to twist. So I don't know if you guys can see, but here is my hair plus the hair that I borrowed to make it 3, and then we go and braid. So if you know how to braid your own hair, this should be super easy. Just go ahead and braid normally, and you want to make sure that you don't pull your hair because this is hair that is fragile. So you want to make sure that you are twisting closely so that you don't rip your hair out. So I have these 2 remaining. I'm going to do the same thing. This is the last one. So that was it for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you're able to pick it up, give me a thumbs up. If you thought this was the easiest method to use, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I would really love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe down below. And if you have not watched any of my videos, what are you waiting for? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.